Hi.
Hi.
I have been having a lot of fun, and one of the things that I'm doing that's fun for me is running triathlons, which is a combination of swimming and biking and running. But something comes up for me when I'm swimming that I don't really know how to deal with. Because when I get out in the open water, my mind starts to flash on the worst possibility. That I'm
Good. Your mind is a survivalistic machine, and it seems like the rest of your life.
That's its job. That's its design function, is your survival. Put you in water, it is not an element that is easy to survive in for human beings. So it's bound to get weird when you're in the water. And then when you're on a bike, it doesn't care that much, or when you're running. But in the water, you come up with drowning scenarios.
Right.
And if there's any leftover fear in your system, you'll experience it. So enjoy the swim.
If you enjoy it, just notice it, it'll wind itself down eventually.
Cool.
Or not, but you'll have fun with it.
Cool. I mean, at this point, I end up, it's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy where I start to feel maybe nauseous or get short of breath, and these are all things that don't help you the swimming activity.
Well, if you get nauseous and if you barf, you can wash it off real fast.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah, of course the short of breath comes because you follow a thought that
And you hold your breath.
And then your thought produces that thing. So if you're starting to get short of breath, then chances are you've flipped into thinking and you have lost the experience of being in your body doing the moves while swimming.
That's true.
And that's not the only place you get lost in thought. Because
That's
clearly
true,
you've been
too.
having a fight with your car lately.
Yeah.
At least the hood of your car.
Because you had, we saw the one little cut, and you said, as you sat down, you bumped because you were working on your car, you bumped it again a second
Right.
time. When you get lost in thought, you're not in your body. So swimming for you is a great opportunity for you to keep investing back in where you are and not in your thought process.
Cool. Yeah, I like that. With my bumps on my head, the first day it happened, I had a story that was because I had my reading glasses on and I wasn't focusing properly. So then the second day I had no glasses on and it happened again. It's like, I'm just thinking.
That's right, I'm just thinking.
And when you fight with your car, the car wins.
Yeah, right. Like head-on collision.
That's very good.
Cool.
For more information about the Canes, their books and seminars, go to transformationmadeeasy.com.